Hi, I'm Todd, the CEO and co-founder of Pendo. Welcome to Product Management Basics. Pendo and Mind the Product's third certification course to help product professionals up-level their skills and grow their careers. Whether or not you currently hold a product manager title, chances are you're here to learn more about product management. Maybe you just started your very first job in product and are looking for best practices to help guide you through this phase. Or perhaps you want to make a career shift into product management and want to know what the role is all about. You might even already have years of product manager experience under your belt, but there's always more to learn and new ways to improve your craft. Product management has been around for decades and has come a long way during that time. In the past, people often fell into product from roles in engineering, design, or marketing. That's certainly the case for me. Today, people are starting their careers with product management in mind, and for good reason. I'd argue there's never been a better time to be in product. But don't just take it from me. Senior Product Manager ranked 4th on Indeed's list of top roles for job seekers in 2023. In another recent study, researchers analyzed 228 million job ads and find that 1 in 8 of all job postings listed product management as a required skill. What started as an engineering adjacent role rooted in shipping features has evolved into a strategic, cross-functional role that impacts the future of business. And this isn't just for startups and tech companies. Nearly every organization, no matter the industry or the product it sells, relies on software to connect with its customers. From banking, to retail, to healthcare, and even home improvement, a company's digital layer, whether it's a web app, mobile app, or both, serves as a foundation of the customer experience. This means that the people building and managing those digital experiences and products must be hyper-focused on both the customers and the business's needs, which is no small feat. At its core, the product manager's job is to synthesize inputs from customers, internal stakeholders, and the market in order to identify the right product or features to build. As a former product manager myself, I found product people to be some of the most passionate and empathetic people in the world. They're wired a bit differently than the average human, possessing a certain compulsion, almost obsession, to make things and to make them better. When you combine this mindset with the rise of agile software development and the ability to continuously release more quickly and more often, there's a clear opportunity for increased innovation and customer value. The difficult part, though, is knowing which ideas will truly make an impact beyond simply pleasing customers. The product managers that are going to be successful are the ones who can clearly show how their work impacts the business in areas like revenue and customer retention. This requires data, experimentation, and iteration, which are 3 themes you'll see throughout the rest of this course. Learning product management can feel like drinking from a fire hose. There's a lot you need to know, and new industry trends and challenges will inevitably arise as you progress in your career. To help break it down into more manageable parts, this course examines product management through the lens of the product management lifecycle, a cyclical framework for conceptualizing, building, launching, and iterating on software products. As a concept, the product management lifecycle isn't something that we at Pendo or Mind the Product invented. Versions of this lifecycle have been taught and applied for years, and this is our take on it. Our version of the lifecycle also ties together core skills product managers should possess and incorporates use cases that are central to the role. I'll also note that a key component of our version of the lifecycle is an emphasis on business outcomes. This ties back to what I discussed earlier. Product management is evolving from the notion of a feature factory to a function that drives meaningful results for the business as a whole. Let's take a look at this shift in more detail. In the feature factory model, product orgs don't have a way to measure the impact of their work. They have frequent failures, largely because they can't validate ideas before investing in them. They also likely see poor product and feature adoption and lack an overall strategic focus. And all of this often leads to unhappy customers. In the outcomes-driven model, represented in the product management lifecycle, product orgs can use data to articulate how their work impacts the business. This access to data also means they have fewer failures and see strong adoption for the products and features they bring to market. They have a clear focus and exciting product vision, and customers who are equally as bought in and excited. No product team wants to be a feature factory, but the truth is that a lot of them are, in one form or another. But this can change. And it all starts with the individuals working to build and improve software products day in and day out, product managers. And you're already one step ahead by taking this certification course. By the end of this course, you'll know the core components of the product manager role, how the product management lifecycle works, strategies that can be applied at each phase of the lifecycle, and how to build products that deliver customer and business value. To help you retain the information in each module, I recommend completing the accompanying exercises. At the end of the course, you'll also have the opportunity to complete a short exam to test yourself on the concepts you've learned. Feel free to reference the study guide to help you prepare for the exam. You can access the study guide in the next lesson and again at the very end of the course. Once you complete the course and pass the exam, you'll receive your very own Product Management Basics digital badge that you can add to your resume or LinkedIn profile and share to get recognition for your new skills. With that covered, let's dive in.